Alright, my people, come see as Ghana fishermen land big catch wey shock everybody. Na shark dem drag comot for water o, alive and strong. Oh my God. The whole community gather dey look like say this wonder fish as e dey shake for sand. Some people dey shout say na blessing, some dey fear say e fit be danger o. Na real life drama for seashore today as dis fishermen hustle pay of big time. Who go chop am? Who go sell am? Na question everybody dey ask. Abeg, make we hear from you. If na you go turn am to soup or you go release am back to sea as oyibo people dey do? No be only me see dis one o. You nko, wetin be your own? Wetin you go talk? Wetin you go do if you catch dis kind fish?